There are several reasons why PayPal might limit your account. These include suspicious activity, like unusual international transfers, a high number of chargebacks exceeding 1% of transactions, unverified identity, potential violation of PayPal's user agreement, or links to high risk activities like cryptocurrency trading. PayPal's AI driven fraud detection systems proactively limit accounts based on real time transaction patterns. First, suspicious activity, such as unusual international transfers or significant changes in your account behavior, can trigger limitations. PayPal monitors for patterns that deviate from your normal usage to prevent fraud. Second, a high number of chargebacks, where more than 1% of your transactions are disputed by buyers, can lead to account limits. This often indicates potential issues with product quality or delivery in e-commerce. Third, unverified identity due to incomplete Know Your Customer protocols can cause limitations. PayPal requires proof of identity to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Fourth, links to high-risk activities like cryptocurrency trading can trigger limits. Volatile market fluctuations are flagged as unusual activity by PayPal's systems. Finally, PayPal's AI-driven fraud detection systems analyze real-time transaction patterns, limiting accounts proactively to reduce false positives and enhance security. When your PayPal account is limited, you'll typically receive an email notification explaining the limitation and directing you to take action. This email will inform you about the specific restrictions on sending, receiving, or withdrawing money. The first step to resolve this limitation is to log into your PayPal account. You can do this through the PayPal website or mobile app using your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Resolution Center. This is PayPal's central hub where you can understand why the limitation was placed and see a summary of the issues that need to be addressed. In the Resolution Center, you'll find helpful messages like "We're here to help," along with a list of required actions and any open or closed cases. This page provides clear guidance on what documents or information you need to submit to resolve the limitation. Remember, accessing the Resolution Center is your starting point for resolving any PayPal account limitation. It provides all the information you need to proceed with the resolution process. In Step 2, carefully read the requirements outlined in the Resolution Center. PayPal will specify exactly what information or documentation they need to verify your identity, confirm transactions, or prove business legitimacy. PayPal will usually ask for specific information or documentation. Common requests include government-issued ID, proof of address, bank statements, invoices, and tracking information for shipped items. For government-issued ID, PayPal accepts documents like driver's licenses or passports to verify your identity. Bank statements help confirm your financial history and transaction legitimacy. Invoices provide proof of business transactions and legitimacy for sellers. Understanding these requirements ensures you can gather the right documents quickly and efficiently to resolve your account limitation. When PayPal requires proof of identity, you need to upload a clear scan or photo of your government-issued ID. This can include your driver's license, passport, or other official documents issued by your government. It's crucial that the name and address shown on your ID exactly match the personal information you have on file with PayPal. This verification step ensures the document belongs to the account holder. Starting in January 2026, PayPal introduced biometric verification through their mobile app. This modern approach uses facial recognition or fingerprint scans to confirm your identity, making the process faster and more secure than traditional document uploads. Step 6 focuses on keeping your PayPal account information up to date. Accurate details help avoid limitations and ensure smooth account access. First, verify your email address and phone number in your account settings. This confirms your identity and enables secure communications. If you've moved or changed your business address, update it promptly in PayPal settings. This maintains compliance with verification requirements. Remember, outdated or incorrect information can lead to account limitations. Keep everything current to maintain full access. If you've completed all the required steps and your account is still limited, contact PayPal customer support via chat or phone. Explain your situation clearly and politely. Have your account information and any relevant documentation ready to provide. According to PayPal's internal metrics, success rates are high, over 80%, if issues are addressed promptly. It's crucial to understand the type of limitation on your PayPal account to determine the best resolution approach. Temporary limitations are common and usually occur when your identity isn't fully verified or when you have chargebacks that exceed PayPal's thresholds. The good news is that temporary limitations can often be resolved simply by providing the requested information, such as proof of identity or transaction details. Permanent limitations are much more serious and typically result from severe violations of PayPal's user agreement, such as involvement in fraud, money laundering, or other prohibited activities. These limitations lead to permanent account closure and are much harder to appeal or recover from, often requiring extensive review by PayPal's compliance team. If you believe a permanent limitation was placed in error, you can appeal it by contacting PayPal support. Provide a detailed explanation of why you believe the limitation is unjustified and include any supporting documentation. Keep in mind that appeals are not always successful, but it's worth trying if you believe you have a valid case. To avoid future limitations on your PayPal account, follow these best practices. First, verify your account information by providing proof of identity and updating your details. This helps PayPal confirm your legitimacy. Second, monitor your account activity regularly through the PayPal dashboard to spot any unusual transactions early. Third, respond promptly to disputes and chargebacks by providing necessary documentation to resolve issues quickly. Fourth, avoid high-risk transactions such as those involving cryptocurrency or international transfers without proper verification. Fifth, comply with PayPal's user agreement by following all rules and guidelines to prevent violations. PayPal now offers in-app tutorials on avoiding limits, reflecting a shift from punitive to preventive approaches. PayPal uses KYC protocols to verify the identity of its users and prevent fraud and money laundering. The KYC process includes 3 key steps: customer identification program to verify identity, customer due diligence to assess risk and financial history, and ongoing monitoring for continuous verification during use. KYC requires accurate information including name, date of birth, residential address, and government-issued identification. Providing up-to-date information is essential for complying with anti-money laundering regulations. Using PayPal for cryptocurrency transactions can increase the risk of account limitations. Volatile market fluctuations and regulatory uncertainties can trigger flags in PayPal's security systems. For example, the high volatility of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as shown in this graph, can be flagged as unusual activity by PayPal's fraud detection systems. Regulatory uncertainties around cryptocurrency can also lead to limitations, as PayPal must comply with evolving financial regulations. To avoid issues, provide tax documentation and comply with PayPal's evolving crypto policies. PayPal reported resolving 1.2 million such cases in 2025 alone. Financial analyst Sarah Chen from Bloomberg states that PayPal's AI enhancements are game changers for user trust, but over-reliance on algorithms risks alienating legitimate users. Balance is crucial. This highlights the ongoing challenge of ensuring that fraud detection systems are accurate and fair. Looking ahead to 2027, PayPal is set to revolutionize account resolution through advanced technology. Fully automated systems will handle most limitation issues without human intervention. AI chatbots will enable fully automated resolution of account limitations. Users can interact with intelligent assistants that understand their issues and provide instant solutions, reducing wait times significantly. PayPal will partner with biometric technology providers, integrating features like Apple's Face ID announced in Q1 2026. This allows users to verify their identity securely using facial recognition or fingerprints, making account recovery faster and more convenient. Through predictive analytics, PayPal forecasts potential limitations before they occur. This advanced data analysis will cut manual interventions by 30%, as the system learns from user patterns and proactively addresses risks. Decentralized identity verification leverages blockchain technology to give users control over their credentials. Instead of centralized databases, users can share verified proofs securely with PayPal and other services, enhancing privacy and reducing fraud. Resolving a PayPal account limitation can be frustrating, but by following these steps and staying proactive, you can get your account back in good standing. Remember to provide accurate information, respond promptly to requests, and stay informed about PayPal's policies. In 2026, PayPal is emphasizing user education and streamlining the resolution process, making it easier than ever to fix limitations. PayPal's evolution and new tools are designed to help users maintain healthy accounts. Stay proactive and informed to avoid future limitations.